Today we'll be discussing patterns. Patterns are everywhere around us in our world, in nature, in man-made things, things like that, down to my shirt. Okay, so my shirt has a bunch of stripes in it. It's mostly teal, but then it has stripes of like tan and white and dark blue. So there's a pattern here, and I can predict what comes next. It would go tan, dark blue, white, dark blue, white, dark blue, white, tan, dark blue, white, dark blue, white, dark blue, tan, so it has a pattern. So it's all about how you look at things and trying to identify the pattern. Sometimes things come naturally, sometimes you have to really look at it. So just here are a few examples before we do some problems together. So I have this kind of pattern. We're trying to figure out what might belong here. So here's one square, two squares, something, and then four squares. So my guess would be probably something that had three squares. Okay, not too bad. Then I have a little pyramid, a triangle made up of three dots. I hope you can see that. Then a triangle like with two on the bottom, with three on the bottom, with four on the bottom. Probably there would be a triangle made with five dots on the bottom. And then even if I had the colors, red, blue, green, what comes next? Red. So patterns all around us, all you got to do is try to look for them and try to identify them.